Namaste, hello, and welcome back to my channel where it's all about loving and restyling your existing wardrobe pieces. As you can see from my attire, today's video is going to be something different, something that I have not done yet. It's a full video on workwear. So I have always included at least one office look in all my videos, but I haven't done a full workwear as yet. So today's video will be dedicated to what Friday dressing is all about, a brief history of how Friday dressing started. It started in the 40s in Hawaii, where the workers of Honolulu were allowed to wear those aloha shirts. Now what are aloha shirts? Those are these big boxy Hawaiian shirts with bright colors, very beachy, with coconut trees, dolphins, seashells. It is a trend which is still going very strong. Most of the offices do have a Friday dressing or a casual dressing policy. But there is a difference between what business casuals are or what smart casuals or Friday dressing is all about. We will deal with business casuals in a separate video altogether. So today we will focus on Friday dressing and how you can use your existing wardrobe pieces to create a more relaxed, comfortable, casual Friday wear. So let's just straight dive into it. When it says casual Friday, it means that the entire outfit is formal with just one item which gives the casual vibe to your entire ensemble. The point to be noted is that it should not be too casual, as if you are going for a picnic or holiday, or you're lounging around on Sundays. So let's start with the attire that I'm wearing.
For this look, I am wearing black crop pants. Now, crop pants are totally acceptable as they are formal and comfortable. To this, I have combined a casual t-shirt, and to make the whole outfit office appropriate, I have added a black blazer and black heels. I have not added any accessory, be it necklace or belt. The only thing that you can add is a nice sleek watch. Complete your outfit with a structured bag. For the second look, I have combined a solid colored blouse with the pants, keeping the shoes and the bags the same. Here I have played with accessory in the form of this leopard print belt. Change your looks by changing your accessories like this golden belt and golden earrings. For the next outfit, try wearing an Indian kurta with these pants. The kurta is not very formal because of its length, but when combined with the pant, it serves as a casual Friday wear. You can either wear the kurta as it is or make it more formal by adding a plain or patterned blazer. Floral prints are also included in the Friday dressing list. They go well when combined with dark pants or even dark denim. This blouse is suitable for the office because of the high neckline and quarter sleeves. Since the prints are already quite bold, I don't want to add any neck piece, but I can have little fun with a nice bracelet. So complete your look with either flats, loafers or heels. This outfit will also work beyond your office hours. You can also add a long sleeveless vest, as it will give you the required casual vibe for your Fridays. Always remember one accessory at a time policy, so don't go overboard with too many accessories at a time. Like here, I have added just one statement belt, keeping other things quite muted. To keep things tonal, because that has a slimming effect, I have taken a same color belt as the blouse, but you can choose a black one as well. Stay away from funky belts or neon colored ones.
To make this outfit look a little different from the last time you wore it, add a cardigan or a blazer. I have buttoned it at the top, and I think it's giving me a very layered look. With these little tips and tricks, you can change the way an outfit looks each time you wear it. The next item that you can wear on Fridays are jeans. Make sure those are slim and skinny jeans in darker hues, maybe an indigo or black. I personally don't prefer grey jeans because I don't think it looks polished enough. While choosing your jeans, make sure that it isn't ripped or frayed. Talking about the outfit that I'm wearing this casual t-shirt with a darker hue, and to make it look more professional, I have added a blazer. For accessories, I'm just wearing a golden strap watch and belt. Finally, to complete the look, I'm wearing ballet flats and the same tote bag.
You can also wear oversized blazers with jeans for Fridays.
White shirt and blue jeans are a match made in heaven. They look so professional together. The shirt which I am wearing is not a typical formal shirt because of the puff details over here, but these work well for Fridays. Jeans with a button-up shirt is classic and sophisticated. The benefit of jeans is that you can combine different types of shirts, be it checks, tartan, plaid or pinstripe. or any other colored top and make it look very trendy. They're also very versatile because they work for all seasons. Since we're still in the middle of February, my idea of workwear will gravitate towards spring or lighter winters. So I'm going to throw in a jumper with this.
Solid colored sweaters in crew or V-neck works fine with jeans. You can also choose bright colors or printed ones provided you balance the other items of your outfit. To add that little dose of casualness, you can wear white sneakers. In that case, carry a proper office bag. Accessories helps to put an outfit together and also makes you look fashion forward. Like here, keeping everything the same, I have just added one accessory, that is a scarf. Waistcoats are a great way to amp up your workwear. It is giving this outfit the formal touch required, and of course the casual vibe is being taken care of by the sneakers. Friday dressing gives you an opportunity to express yourself better and is also an extension of your personality. It is perfectly acceptable to wear your shirt untucked and to add a little drama, throw in a long sleeveless vest. The final item that I'm going to add to this attire is a black blazer. Adding a black blazer instantly adds a sophisticated touch and makes any outfit office appropriate. Jeggings are also allowed provided they are in office colors like grey, blue or black. To make this outfit work, I have combined it with white shirt and a formal waistcoat. The options for footwear are multiple, from heels to pumps to flats or loafers. But in my opinion, flats with jeggings give a very cool vibe. You can accessorize this look with dainty golden neck piece, as gold and grey complement each other.
Pencil skirts are yet another great option for Friday dressing. Only thing to be considered is that it should fall below the knee. Having pencil skirts in black or beige would be the most convenient choice, but I have taken this daunting task of creating office wear with this plaid skirt. So in this first look, I have combined again the white shirt with the plaid skirt, and to keep it more casual and relaxed, I am wearing ballet flats. Wearing ballet flats or loafers on Fridays would be a convenient choice so that after office you can finish your working errands like going for grocery or local market. Another look with a casual white t-shirt, but since I have paired it with plaid skirt, it's fitting the bill. If you're not comfortable with a logo t-shirt, then you can choose to wear a plain one. I think Levi's should sponsor this video for me. Your favorite Friday dressing is complete with strappy sandals. A plaid skirt has multiple colors, so obviously you can make multiple outfits out of it. In the earlier look, I was wearing a cardigan and now I'm wearing a crew neck sweater. I wanted to wear loafers with this, but I don't have any in my closet. V-neck sweaters also work well with pencil skirts as they have the slimming effect. You can complete this office look with strappy sandals. Cardigan tucked into the skirt is the new norm. This is yet another great way to dress on Fridays. A blazer can pull an entire outfit together. Throwing in a blazer as a cape will serve dual purpose. It will help to beat the AC chill and also to dress up any outfit for the last minute office meetings. If you were wondering whether to wear a dress to the office or not, then the answer is yes. A nude or black dress is simple and sophisticated and works well for the office. You can stay understated with matching heels, and to spice up your outfit, just add a statement neck piece or a scarf. For this outfit, I have kept everything very minimal with just one statement neck piece. Since I'm wearing this dress and blazer which are tonal and totally in sync with the office environment, I'll go a little casual on the footwear. For me, this outfit has a right balance of casual and formal. Take your Friday dressing to the next level by adding a scarf and wearing an oversized blazer. The topic of Friday dressing is an extensive one and I can go on and on about it, but due to paucity of time, I have to take a break now. Did this video help you to figure out what Friday dressing is all about? If yes, then do let me know in the comments below. Keep showering your love and please hit the subscribe button below. I post every Sunday. Until then, bye-bye, take care and yes, keep slaying in style.